In this video, we'll guide you through the replacement of the contactor. Remove the protective weather cap on top of the charger to access the lock. Use the key provided to unlock and open the charger's front panel. Remove the front panel if necessary for easier access while working on the charger. Unfasten the safety screws and internal plastic cover, then place to one side. The contactor can be found here. Isolate the power to the component. Unfasten the screw securing the cables to the contactor and disconnect. The contactor is mounted on a DIN rail and can easily be removed by pressing the contactor downwards and lifting outward from the bottom first. Secure a new contactor on the DIN rail by pushing down in place and inwards from the bottom first and refit the cables. Please note, all cables are marked with the location in the contact, example being K2/A1. Tighten the screws securing the cables. These should be torqued to 2.5 Newton meters. Reactivate the fuse, then refit the internal plastic cover and safety screws. If you've removed the front panel, refit and reconnect to the charger. Close the front panel and lock in place. Remember to refit the protective weather cap once the charger is locked. When powered up, complete a test charge to ensure the charger is functioning correctly. You have now successfully replaced the contactor.